for something that is super cute. All you have to do is look at it. Now wait, how fun is this? This is 4 different mugs, 14 ounces each. But when they're stacked together, what do they create? They create a picture. So there is Santa Claus, but as we take out, and I'm gonna just show you really quickly, right over here are your handles. So I take out the first one, I take out the second one. You could even have some fun with the kids. You can mix it all up and they have to put it back together again. But you're getting not only the mug holder, but the mugs themselves. And we have several different ones to choose from. This one obviously is Santa, but we also have a snowman, a penguin, gingerbread, reindeer, and an elf. Now I have to figure out how to put it back together again. I love it.
Mary Beth, you got it, by the way. I can show all the different characters that we have over here.
Awesome.
So starting with our sweet little elf. This is Elf Bertie, believe it or not. Elf Bertie. So look how sweet this is. Literally breaks down, we were saying $5 a mug.
Yes,
vertical
$5
storage, which we love, right? So the ability, again, to not always have to be tucking everything in your cupboards. Now you have a way to put these right out. So here's your elf. We'll show you in just a minute. And then as Mary Beth was showing you, I designed these so that it slides in and out. Next door to that, there's a Santa. I was showing you Santa again. He's got his little mittens. So each mug individually hand painted, individually designed.
Wow.
There's your reindeer. That's going to be our Whimsy. And notice that sweet cardinal that I did right on the top of his antler. So all of these being truly lifelike.
And the boxes that go with it.
Which is like such a no-brainer, right? If you have a gift closet and you like to tuck that away, please feel free to do that. Here's our gingerbread. So you can see again for the sweet little hat right here on the top. Let me move my oversized penguin. Excuse me, my lit oversized penguin.
I love those. Those are brand new today, by the way.
Obsessed with those. Okay, and then of course we have our gingerbread that you're seeing right there. He's all a little gumdrop. Next door to that's going to be Penny, our penguin, and then of course we have our snowman. There's that beautiful gift box, literally bow and go. There's a to and from right on the top. You don't need to think about anything. There's where we have some food. But
by the way, the snowman and the elf are the most popular as of right now, but you can change that by placing your order. And just so you know too, what Temp-tations is all about, if you're kind of new to this whole shopping on television, is for 21 years they have been making these beautiful ceramic hand-painted pieces that are bakeware, you know, dinnerware, all of that. So nobody knows dinnerware or bakeware better than Tara Tescher, and that's what these are made out of. It's that same kind of ceramic stoneware that can go in the oven.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, so you literally can make French onion soup in here and go ahead and tuck it right under the broiler. Look how beautiful that cheese caramelizes right on there. Would you think about doing that with your hand-painted fine china?
No.
No, you would not. But with Temp-tations, because it's that great stoneware, you can. You can make little individual meatloafs in here, little individual soups and desserts. We did a little chicken pot pie. So as great as they are for drinking, your hot cocoa, your tea, your coffee, they're great cooking pieces as well.
For
mac and cheese, you could put it right in your Oster oven, your countertop oven. And so that's kind of a look at like all of your savory. Now look at our sweets.
Oh my gosh, I have
cakes.
to say, Carol
and her team
above
are
and beyond. Yes. With these, I mean, seriously, look at this Santa hat with the little cardinal and then even the little pretzels to make it look like it was Whimsy.
Yes, exactly. And then of course we have another sweet little dessert, but look at how each mug has a little character. It has a beautiful presence, of course, of all that hand painted and beautiful detail. And unbelievable. When you think about 4 mugs, you could break these apart, but I love the idea of keeping them together for under $20.
$5 each.
You can give these, and look what we did here. We did little sides. You could do little salads in here. Mugs are like the new bowl, right? I think everybody loves to eat out of a mug.
Soups, I mean, all the time. Can I just come back and show you the options? Because I'm going to tell you right now, if you want the snowman, you better slide down and get there. Here's the different ones though. We start right here with the elf. We have Santa. This is Whimsy the reindeer. Over here we end up with that beautiful gingerbread man. Here's the penguin. There is the snowman. And also, how many times do you get to a party and they say, you got to bring a $20 gift for anybody. You don't know who's going to be there. You don't know if it's going to be a man or a woman or whatever. These are those $20 gifts that are so fabulous and so unique, and everybody's going to be talking about it, and it comes in the box that is beautiful.
Yeah. So you were saying that the snowman is super popular. Look at, this is all of that great detail. So when you think of what you can do with stoneware, and then of course with something lifelike like this is all lit. This takes 2C batteries.
Right.
I love having like a little snowman vignette.
Yes, exactly, without a doubt. I just want to remind you, these are oven safe to 500, microwave safe, toaster oven safe, but they're dishwasher safe. And you can use them in the refrigerator or the freezer.
Yeah, which is great. This is what we've been sharing with you for over 21 years, Mary Beth.
25 million sets.
Thank you.
Of the bakeware.
Yes.
Sold.
Yes.
And the best part is, put the ice cream in each. Put them in the freezer. That way your ice cream stays super cold, and then have some hot fudge in another one.
Yes, please. I'm coming to your house.
Yeah, okay, good.
Okay.
We've got more yet to come. And don't forget,